Good morning. It's Tim Seymour on Monday, November 23rd, about 8:30 a.m. And stocks, commodities, FX around the world stronger. Comments out of Asian central banks and certainly the Chinese central bank that fourth quarter GDP may surprise on the upside. Comments out of the Fed about interest rate policy remaining close to zero through 2010, also stimulating the risk aversion trade and the dollar weaker trade. So looking to Asian markets, China was up 92 bips, India up 93 bips. South Korea down 10 bips, and Taiwan flat. Into Eastern Europe, Hungary outperforming up 2.6%, Poland up 93 bips, Czech flat, Russia up 88 bips, was up as much as 2% as oil rallied out of the gates. Oil going higher, Russia trading sideways, Brent right now at 77.60, so up about 1.2% this morning. Into Latin America, Brazil's opened up 1.24% stronger, Chile up 22 bips, Colombia up 10 bips, waiting for Mexico to open up, and South Africa up 1.09%. Looking at a currency, that's 1.5% stronger. Rand FX volatility been enormous this month, but a stronger rand, higher gold prices, all of that helping. In fact, FX prices in the EM world substantially up. Polish zloty up 1.5%, even the ruble up 60 basis points. Looking at the real up 50 basis points. So again, we watch FX here, and that's given us some positive signals. Looking at U.S. home sales this morning at 10 o'clock to begin the data flow out of the States, which will be what much of the world's focused on. S&Ps at this point up 10.5 points, looking to open up about 1%. So a very strong open in the U.S. Expected. Looking at the overall news, in addition to what's been discussed on the weekend comments, JP Morgan's got a strategy report out saying they expect record highs in Latin America by the end of 2010 and are indicating about 30% upside in Brazil. To then, the M&A activity continues to also be a driver. India's Reliance Industries may be bidding on LyondellBasell, which is the bankrupt U.S. petrochemicals play. It would put Reliance at the top of the petrochems world if, in fact, this transaction goes through. This would be about a $15 billion transaction and something that would put them in a very strong strategic place globally. Looking at the rest of the news flow, very light this morning and waiting for a little more direction out of U.S. home sales. We'll watch that, and we'll talk to you soon.